Hello guys, welcome back to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss that how we can get the golden keywords. And I will tell you the best way to grab the golden keywords. You will never need to check all keywords one by one. You can just grab the golden keywords and you can use those keywords in your listing to rank them on the first page of Amazon with the PPC campaigns. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to go to Cerebro. This is a Cerebro in Helium 10. Definitely Helium 10 is a paid tool and you will need to buy its subscription to get the golden keywords. Okay, let's proceed with the example so it will be easy for you to understand. Just search Amazon.com and let's proceed with the same part which was white tape. If you search the keyword here, let's suppose this is a high search volume keyword for this part. The same way, in the same way, you will proceed when you will do SEO of your pod. You will get the golden keywords, definitely. White tape. Okay. You will search the keyword of your pod. A lot of sellers will appear here. Just grab the seller with the same pod selling and have the high reviews. For example, I'm going with this. Just open the listing and copy its SN. You can see Amazon standard identification number here for this listing. And also you can get this SN from the product details in the bottom. Just paste the SN here and click on get competitors. Amazon will suggest you the competitors for this product then. Okay. I have the white tape, so I will select all the sellers with the white tape. This is also known as reverse SN. We are going to do the reverse SN and we will get the golden keywords. I will just tell you that how we can do it. Okay, so I just selected few sellers with the white tape and then add competitors, and then you will click on get keywords. What Cerebro will do now? Cerebro will reverse these SNs. That's why we call this method reverse SN. In this way, we will get all the keywords these sellers used in the past or they are using now in their listing, and all the keywords on which they are getting a lot of sales and all the keywords on which they are getting zero sales. First check you have to put here is minimum search volume. We need 500. If you scroll down, just scroll down. Let me show you. You have 13,000 keywords. You cannot check all the keywords one by one to get the golden keyword. So what you will need to do, first thing that you can do is put the search volume minimum 500 and then apply filters. Okay, now Helium 10 is giving us only 1,000 keywords. Okay, now just download this file in CSV. Okay, we have the file now here. You can check now these all keywords are related to your pod, but we want to get the most relevant keywords and those keywords who has a high search volume, those keywords who has a high relevancy factor. Okay, so just open this file and follow all the steps that I will perform here. Just copy first 4 rows and then go to insert. Okay, make it bold so it will be easy for you to understand that this is the main row, and let's put some color here. Okay, now just keep this column wide. Keyword sales, we do not need this column, just delete it. Then Cerebro, we do not need this also. We need only the search volume and the ASINs to get the relevancy factor. Okay, these all are irrelevant for us now. Okay, also delete these 3 columns from here. This is the best ever way to grab the golden keywords for your listing. See, now also we have 1,000 keywords. We have to select golden keywords from this. For this we will use relevancy formula. Just click here and then click on insert and write here relevancy. Okay, now we will proceed with the formula, which is you will type here equal to count if, this one, and then select this column to grab right here. Put comma less than 60, close bracket and press enter. See, this keyword white gaff tape has a search volume of 771 and relevancy factor is 6, which is good. Means that these all ASIN holder sellers using this keyword with the relevancy factor of 6. All the keywords having the relevancy factor above 5 are good keywords. Okay, just double tap here and then put filter on this row. From here, filters. Now we have filters on all columns. You can just grab high search volume keywords from here. It's up to you. You can sort it from largest to smallest. Or second thing you can do, you can proceed with the relevancy factor from largest to smallest. So we have these keywords. The keywords from 6 to 21. These 21 keywords, sorry, these are actually less than 21 keywords. These keywords are good keywords to rank your part. If you see, the first keyword is gaffer tape. Gaffer maybe it could be a brand name. White gaffer tape, white gaff tape, gaff tape, white gaffer's tape, gaff tape, white tape, gaffer tape. Okay, and white duct tape. These all keywords are good because they have the good relevancy factor. These all keywords are golden keywords. So this is the best way to grab the golden keywords from Helium 10 to use in your Amazon listing. You will use these keywords in your title, in your bullet points, in your description, and also in the backends to rank your part on the first page of Amazon. If you like this video, and if this video is helping you, then do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much.